On the 15th, China's Tianwen-1 landed on Mars. It is the third in the world after the United States and Russia. China is reporting that this is the result of a space rise. Space rise is an expression of China's willingness to develop the space industry as the best in the world by intensively fostering the space industry. Why is it Mars? Mars is made of rocks like Earth, and it's said to be the most similar to Earth because it has oxygen, although it is in a very small amount. In particular, as traces of water flowing past the surface of Mars were discovered, it is considered as the planet with the greatest potential to create an environment similar to Earth. Why are developed countries so absorbed in the space industry? But why do developed countries compete with the space industry? We can communicate because there are satellites. The universe is infinite, but the orbits in which the satellites can move and the frequencies to operate the satellites are limited. That is why many countries compete. In particular, the possibility of weaponization of space technology became a hot topic as China succeeded in intercepting and destroying satellites in 2007. The beginning of China's space industry. The human space industry began in 1957 with the Soviet launch of Sputnik 1. China is currently the leading country in Asia. China launched a satellite called Dongfang 1 in 1970 with full support, making it the fifth country in the world to launch a satellite. Since then, China has consistently attempted to launch satellites and has recorded a 100% success rate since 2015. China's space rise. The space rise began in 1992 with the space program Tiangong program. Tiangong program is a plan to set up a space station, to build its own space station, and keep astronauts there. China succeeded in launching Tiangong 1 in 2011 and became the world's third space station launcher after Russia and the United States. Currently, there are only space stations developed jointly by the US and Russia, while there are some experimental space stations in China. Although China goes beyond it and plans to build its own space station called Tiangong No. 3 in 2022. Through this, China is trying to enhance its national image and increase its influence.